Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to load money onto your Wisely card. If you're new to Wisely or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Wisely cards are great for managing your finances on the go, and loading funds is straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Wisely card activated and your account set up. If you haven't done that yet, head to the Wisely website or app and follow the prompts to get started. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with options for adding money. The easiest way to load funds is through the Wisely mobile app. Download it from your app store if you haven't already, then open it up and log in with your credentials. Look for the Add Money or Fund Account button. It's usually front and center. From there, you can link your bank account or debit card. Simply enter your bank details securely and select the amount you want to transfer. Most transfers happen instantly or within a few minutes, but keep an eye out for any processing fees. If you prefer not to use the app, you can also load money online via the Wisely website. Just visit wisely.com, log in, and follow the same steps. Another option is setting up direct deposit from your employer or using cash at participating retail locations like Walmart or CVS. Just check the Wisely app for nearby spots. Remember, always double-check for any minimum load amounts or fees to avoid surprises. One quick tip: for security, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on your account. If you run into any issues, Wisely's customer support is available through their app or website. There you have it. That's how you load money onto your Wisely card in a few simple steps. It's all about making your money work for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.